Today I'm going to show you my muffler setup on this. Make it a single into a dual. You can see it's my custom rally lawnmower. Let me do a little walk around right quick. It still needs some work to it, like it needs brakes hooked up. It's missing that linkage. Alright, let me show you the muffler setup right quick. As you can see, come out right there and teed it, and go up there and 90 into that one, and then it comes around through there, around the other side. Yeah, it worked pretty good. They're even too. And there's my air filter set up. Well, hope you liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.